Good morning students, welcome back to the computer class. Beta, I hope in the previous lecture the problems of your chapter number 1, which is introduction to the computer, is solved and your queries are being solved in the previous lecture. Now our next topic is, our next chapter is chapter number 7, which is introduction to internet, or we can say that more on internet. Now we are going to take the revision of our this chapter is more on internet. Better you know very well what do you mean by internet. In general terms we can say that the internet is the network of networks, or internet is the biggest network which considers the so many computers in a single network, which connects the so many computers which can be placed in the other locations in a single network is called internet. And why we need the internet and why it is useful, why it is important? Because with the help of internet we can transmit our informations or our data from the one user to the another user, or we can say that from one place to the another place very easily, and we can transmit our important informations from one place to the another place in a very quick manner. So there are some uses of internet. The first one is social networking and the searching of information. You can search any information on the internet which you want, and the communication with the peoples. For example, you are using the WhatsApp, you can easily communicate with the other peoples by using some apps by the internet. And meeting people, you can meet the people by using the video conferencing. Entertainment, you can entertain yourself by using or by listening some audios or videos from it. And the third one is discussion forums. You can already discuss, or you can discuss on any topic on the internet. Education and learning. For example, you are using the education e-learning. How we can use it, the e-learning? These are the uses of our internet. We can use the internet in so many fields. Now the second topic is electronic mail. The email stands for electronic mail, but in the previous time, or we can say that in the ancient time, क्या होता था? स्नेल मेल्स को यूज़ किया जाता था. स्नेल मेल्स में क्या होता था? मैनुअली डिलीवरी की जाती थी प्रोडक्ट्स की, या फिर अगर हमें कोई लेटर सेंड करना तो उसे मैनुअली सेंड किया जाता था, विच टेक्स सो मच टाइम. इट इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. बट इन नाउ अ डेज, बाय यूजिंग द इंटरनेट, वी कैन यूज the email, means electronic mail. We can send our letters to the many peoples, more than one peoples, in a quick manner, in an efficient manner, from one place to the another place by using email. And what are the components of it? हम कुछ components भी use करते हैं email करते समय. For example, send box में क्या होता है? वो messages save होते हैं जो हमें send करने होते हैं. In inbox जो हम messages receive करते हैं. And in the reply box you have to reply the message which you have been received. And the forward, you have to forward the same message to the other peoples. What are the advantages of email? Email के advantages क्या होते हैं? It is very cost effective and it is very fast. It can reach any part of the world. हम within few seconds में world के किसी भी part में, किसी भी कोने में एक message को send कर सकते हैं so many peoples के पास. And it does not matter कि whether your message should be of 1 page or should be of 100 pages. वो आपके messages within seconds में send कर देगा. And the next one is, what do you mean by email address? Email address क्या होता है? It is the unique address for the each. हर एक website के लिए email address unique होता है. It considers the 3 parts. The first one is your username, and the second one is your symbol, which is @ which denotes @ or which pronounced as @, and domain name, which identifies the particular website. And how we can compose the email, how can we can send the email? I already explained you in the previous lectures. You have to see my previous videos to discuss about these ki how to compose the mails. Otherwise in the Zoom session I am going to tell you how to compose it. And the last one is, what do you mean by e-greeting cards? E-greeting cards are same as the email, in which you have to send the card to your friends. You want to send the birthday card to your friends from one to the another place, or from one person to the more than one persons within the seconds. So first of all you have to choose your card, then after that you have to write the text you want to write on it, and then you have to send it to the others. It is same as the email. And the etiquettes of the internets and why these are useful, we can read about this in the next video.